ecosystems are dictated by elevation. You won't feel like you are walking uphill or downhill, but in Florida, a difference of inches makes a difference in the ecosystem you will find in any particular place. One of the highest and driest ecosystems in South Florida is pine flatwoods. As you move downhill, you will move into shadier oak hammocks, which are usually bordered by some type of wetland. Florida's fresh water and wetlands include both marshes and swamps. Pine flatwoods, the most extensive terrestrial ecosystem in Florida, exhibit relatively flat topography and sandy soils with little organic matter, along with scrub ecosystems. They are the highest and driest ecosystems in the state. Pine flatwoods in South Florida are characterized by an open canopy of needle leaves slash pines with a dense understory of shrubs, and in places with frequent fire, grasses and other herbaceous plant species. Slash pines get their name from early settlers who settled the bark of the pines and collected their sap to make turpentine and rosins. Because slash pines self-prune their lower branches, pine flatwoods often have distinctly layered appearance. Changes in elevation in northern regions are commonly measured in feet. In Southwest Florida, changes in elevation are often measured in inches, but those inches make a significant difference in the ecosystem that is found in any particular place. Elevation determines an ecosystem's hydro period, which directly impacts fire regimen. All of these variables work together to influence the type of soils found in an ecosystem. An ecotone is an area where two types of ecosystems meet and integrate. This transition is often dictated by changes in elevation and so hydrology. Ecotones can vary in width, and some are more clearly distinguishable than others. Steeper elevation change often lead to a narrow ecotone, while more gradual changes can lead to a wide ecotone. A watershed is an area of land that collects rainwater, then sheds it or drains it into a wetland or common body of water. Lakes, streams, wetlands, rivers, estuaries, and groundwater can all be components of a watershed. An aquifer is a layer of permeable rock under the surface of earth that holds water. In Florida, the rock is limestone that is full of holes, much like a sponge. FGCA was built within the watershed of the Estero River. Stewart Slough runs between the main loop road and the buildings of South Village, draining rainwater and groundwater from that side of campus. The slough then continues under Ben Hill Griffin and Three Oaks Parkway into river flows management, and construction activities that take place on campus have direct impact on quality of water in Estero Bay. Wetlands provide important service to human world as well as the natural world. As such, they often receive special consideration and legal protection from building and development.